EA Sports. It's in the game.
And now the night everyone in the football world has been longing for. Millions will be watching around the world. It is, of course, the biggest final in club football, the UEFA Champions League final. Welcome to the commentary box. Derek Ray here, joined by Stuart Robson. It's Paris Saint-Germain taking on Chelsea.
Well, Derek, it doesn't come any better than this, does it? This has the makings of an absolute classic. These are two brilliant teams, and at the moment, I can't separate them.
And they get the ball rolling in the Champions League final. We're about to find out who will be crowned Club Kings of Europe. A chance maybe from the wide position. Cuts it back. Brilliant save. And here is the initial 11 for Paris Saint-Germain. Gianluigi Donnarumma is the keeper. Marquinhos plays alongside Presnel Kimpembe at the back. Lionel Messi starts with Neymar in the wide positions.
Oh, can he score here, Derek?
And how about that for a save? The delivery from Neymar. You're not going to bamboozle the goalkeeper with a corner like that. An exciting talent who has everything a forward needs to be successful. Stuart, what are you expecting to see from Mbappe?
Well, he's a good all-round player. When he's closing the ball down, he does it at pace. When he's linking up the play, he's good at that. But his real attribute and his threat is when he runs in behind defenders. That's when he's at his most dangerous.
Neymar must take the lead here. Can they cover up? Verratti. And a goal! It's for Paris Saint-Germain. The first goal of this Champions League final. Incredible scenes.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really good bit of play. Watch how he turns his marker and then has the composure to finish.